All right, so we know to never have 2 headphones in our ears. Let's do this warm-up. Now, we're never supposed to have 2 headphones, that's for sure, right? All right. Well, anyways. Now, first step, f of x turns into y. This is probably one of the harder ones. Then x and y do what? Switch places. X, negative y plus 2 squared minus 2. Now, there's a lot going on here. What should I get rid of first? Okay, that loner minus 2 at the end. Add 2. X plus 2. What's x plus 2? Is it 3? Is it 2x? All right. X plus 2. Okay, now, do I get rid of the negative, this plus 2, or the squared? Okay, you can't get into the parentheses until you get rid of the squared. So this is squared first. We get rid of it by doing the square root. So now we have square root of x plus 2 equals negative y plus 2. Now, do I get rid of the negative or the plus 2?
No.
The plus 2. Okay, how do I get rid of the plus 2? Now, we know, right, that this plus 2 and minus 2 don't combine, right? So, when we rewrite it, x plus 2, then there's a minus 2 after that, equals negative y. Last step, to get rid of that negative sign. By divide by what?
Y divided by negative y.
Divide by negative 1. The negatives will cancel out. Okay, so everything gets divided by negative 1. Now that I'm out of room, we'll go write it over here. F inverse of x equals. Now, this square root was a positive square root. When I divide by negative 1, it's now a negative square root. Negative square root of x plus 2. And then this minus 2 divided by negative 1 is, changes the sign to plus 2. Okay, that's it. Now,
so when you have the square root of
okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here's what we're going to do. Now, you already know what your grade is.
I don't.
You do.
I don't. I have no idea.
Should have.
I never write it.
But you did.
But I didn't.
But you actually did.
But I didn't.
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
You never gave me my paper.
You got it.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. All right, well, we all know the truth. Yes, we know the truth.
I failed.
Hey. You can check Skyward if you didn't get one, but you should have one. Does anyone else not have their page, little sheet? Okay, can I have y'all listening in the back? Listen. So, here's what we're doing today. If you look at your second to bottom grade, that's the quiz we took last Friday. Most people did not pass it, so here's what I'm going to do for you today.
Yeah? Okay, that sounds good.
I'm going to pass out your quizzes. We're going to go over them, and y'all are going to pay very close attention because we're going to do the retake right here, right now. So if you got below an 80, I'll let you bring it up to an 80, okay? But if, yes? So, are we understand what we're about to do? So I'm going to pass those out, we're going to go over it, and then retake, okay?